Is it possible to have two clear gases, come together and make a solid? And what would that even look like? So in the glass cylinder, I have ammonia gas, NH3 gas. And the paper, that white paper, I've dipped that in concentrated hydrochloric acid. So the fumes coming off are hydrogen chloride gas. So immediately when those two gases hit each other, they start mixing, we see this white smoke-like substance. That smoke-like substance, that's a solid. It's very small crystals of what we call ammonium chloride. So the two clear gases, they've come together and they've made this solid. And it's a very fine particulate solid right now, kind of like dust or smoke. If we wait, it'll either fall to the bottom or settle on the sides of the glass. So we have two gases, two clear gases coming together to make a solid. It's kind of mesmerizing just to watch it for a while. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.